everyone, my name is Jonny Engstrom. I'm the art director of Geek Craving Salon in Winchester. I'm very excited about doing this day for Hairdressing Live on the 26th of February. So I started my career in Stockholm, Sweden, and the last 20 years I've been here in Winchester, UK. What I want to do with this seminar, I want to take you through a journey of classic long hair. So what we're going to do is simple techniques that then literally you can take back to the salon and maybe teach people in the salon, or if you want seminars or shows, these techniques will further you in your dressing long hair. A lot of the time I feel that people have a fear of dressing long hair. Literally everyone does color and cutting in the salon, but when it comes to putting hair up for brides or doing bigger shows where you need to put hair up, people feel a little bit scared. So with this course I want to take away the fear and I want to give you more confidence. So with simple techniques you will be able to build up and further your expertise in dressing long hair. So literally be there on the 26th of February.